Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your Tango Life crashing on your Android phone. Follow those simple steps and fix it fast. Step 1. Restart your phone. First restart your Android phone. This clears temporary bug that causes apps to crash. Step 2. Check internet connection. Make sure you are on strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. Weak or unstable internet can crash live streaming apps. Step 3. Clear Tango Life cache. Go to settings, then apps, then Tango Life. Tap storage and clear cache. Don't tap clear data. Cache is safe and fix most crashes. Step 4. Update Tango Life. Open Google Play Store, search for Tango Life and tap update if available. Older version of can crash on your Android system. Step 5. Update Android system. Go to settings, then software. Install any pending updates. System box can cause app instability. Step 6. Free up storage. Make sure you have at least 2 to 3 GB free storage. Low storage is common reason for app crashes. Step 7. Close background apps. Close unused apps running in background. This free RAM and prevents Tango Life from crashing during use. Step 8. Reinstall Tango Life. If nothing works, uninstall Tango Life, then restart your phone, then reinstall it from the Play Store. Those steps fix Tango Life crashing issue on most Android phones. Try them and go live without interruptions, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.